summer. Every step takes them further.
We're surrounded by lava!
Journey to the center of the earth, 3D.
Hi! Today I'm going to go out and get a wolf cut because I was inspired by another YouTuber. I'll put her picture here. So a thing about me is that I get really bored with my hair very quickly. Everybody knows that when I was in college, I had like purple hair and then blue hair and then green hair and then yellow hair and then red hair. Basically, I love experimenting with my hair, and I thought that I was kind of getting bored with my haircut now. The bangs are kind of long. They're not like the short bangs. I was trying to grow up them curtain bangs, but I don't know, it's not working with my face so much. I saw these pegs pop, 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 pop. Kind of short hair wolf cut, and I really wanted to try it out. So this is what my hair looks like right now. Okay, I know it's very voluptuous. So yeah, we're definitely gonna try out a wolf cut now. Today, I decided this 3 days ago. I'm just gonna get changed and then we're gonna start walking to the parlor. Okay, so you know how you like get bored at the salon? So I'm just packing my like little pouch of salon essentials. We got here, definitely need a book, some earphones, and of course your cell phone. Hi. So the salon is about over there. It's just walking distance from me. So that's always fun. Hello. So I just got my hair shampooed. And they follow all the safety procedures and all that stuff, so that's nice. Okay, so it's finally done. I'll show you the full thing in a bit. Okay, so this is the final look. Ta-da! Okay, I really love how it turned out. At first I was a little bit scared, not gonna lie. The bangs were kind of thick and the hair was really messy. But it turned out great! I will insert some pictures that I took after here.
Isang dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina.
Oh my god! Wow! Okay, so starting off, the salon had really good service. As soon as you entered, everything was like plasticked, if that's a word. All of the hair people, all of the salon people, they were wearing like PPEs, full PPEs. All of the seats were separated with sheets. So to get this haircut and this hairstyle, it was 350 pesos only. Yeah, so when I was at the salon today, I showed them the pictures of the wolf cut and I was like, can I have a wolf cut? And they go, this is just really layered hair. And I'm thinking now that the term wolf cut is something that our generation came up with, when in fact it's just really layered hair. Yeah, and I think it looks a lot like Miley Cyrus's hair. Oh, also I love it when I put my hair behind my head and it looks like this. It looks really cute. I don't know. But yeah, also I don't know how it looks when it's wet. This is fresh from the salon, blow dried. So I'll probably get some footage tomorrow to see how it looks, me styling it by myself. But so far I'm really happy with it. And also the bangs look okay. Full front bangs, you know. They say the barcode bangs, which isn't so bad. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. The first time I've ever gotten full bangs. Now this one is...
The coconut nut is a giant nut.
Also, I wanted to say that I really like this hairstyle because it makes me look so badass. Like, I think that I always look so nice. Maybe that's just what I think. I come off as very cute because of my like round face and big eyes. And what I really like about this hairstyle is that I finally look like hashtag cool kid. Would you call that? Kind of thing. Go and get it yourself. Yeah, I guess the last part or towards the end of this video is just seeing how it looks home styled. Yeah! Hi, so this is my hair after washing it and putting my hair product, my curling gel, and you know, scrunching it, my daily hair routine. And I have to say, I do like how it came out. It is honestly a little bit wild than I'm used to. Like, it's so layered, and with the curls now, it looks even out there. The bangs are a little bit hard to manage because I've never had full bangs before. I find that parting them in the middle fits my face better, so that's what we're going to stick with. Personally, my favorite style for this hair is a half ponytail style. Let me show you. So, and this is my favorite look with it. It looks very Korean aesthetic. There's hair, because it's so layered, there's always hair that frames your face at the side. So yeah, I think it's pretty cute. I definitely think you should get a wolf cut yourself if it's something you've been thinking about. It's definitely something to try once. It's not something I would do again, but I'm glad that I tried it out, and that and by the way, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please don't forget to like and comment down below what kind of hairstyles you think I should try, or what kind of hairstyles you've been thinking about trying. And if you're interested in vlogging and fashion and overall kind of just weird content, then please subscribe for a new video every Friday. On most Fridays. Maybe twice a month Fridays. Bye! See you next week!